Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a update of the house to let you know how we're getting on. As you can see, nothing has been done in the hallway. Still looking a bit of a mess, but we've got all this beautiful work to get on with soon. So I'll take you upstairs. You ready? As you can see, we still have no ceiling in the hallway. And we still have this ghastly wallpaper in the hallway, so we have done absolutely nothing in this area at all. Behind me is going to have a window put in eventually, but first things first, the master bedroom is being done, and look what we've come home to. We've actually got sort of a roof or ceiling in our bedroom. Yay! So yes, it's been boarded, and to you watching this, you're probably thinking, oh my god, look how much work there still is. But there isn't a great deal more to do in this room. Well, kind of. So that's it. So it's been boarded. It's going to be plastered very soon. We're starting, obviously, this has all been started. It's moving, which progress is brilliant. We have got the new sliding sash windows coming next week. We have decided we were going to plaster around these beautiful river stones because they look so lovely. Because some of them are a little bit damaged, we just thought we would actually plaster over and leave the beautiful oak pieces in, which are, luckily they're either side. So I think that'll give a beautiful finish to match the oak lintel and to eventually match the oak windowsill that we're going to have put in. As you can see, the fireplace hasn't been done yet. Got all the stone ready to build that up. That, as you know, is going to be kept as a feature in the bedroom. So that will look beautiful once it's done. We're having the electrician come in on Monday to do the first fixings. So we've decided just to have small little spots just coming off of the oak beams. We're going to have one either side, there and there, and again over on that corner, and again on the other corner. And I think probably that's pretty much it in this bedroom, because I do love lamps. So they sound like what's the movie, Anchorman, love lamps. So anyway, we're going to have nice lighting, lamps, and I get to do all the lovely bits at the end. So, but I just wanted to update you with the progress, and yeah, very excited and can't wait for it to be plastered. I'll probably give you another update come the end of the week, because I think there might be a little bit more to show then. So yeah, have a great week. See ya.